Hello students, I hope you all are doing at your places and you must have completed your holiday homework which I given before the holidays. And after holidays we are starting with chapter number 4, place value. Okay, we have already discussed place value in the chapter 3, number system. We start the place value with this chapter with the face value, because I don't think that I told you about the face value in that chapter. What is the face value? Before that, I have written some definition here. You may copy it in your fair copy, okay, if you want. What is the face value? The face value of a digit in a number is itself. Means if any number is given 4230, so what will be the face value of every digit within this number? So then face value of 4 will be 4, because according to the definition the face value of a digit in a number is itself. Okay, then the face value of the digit 4 will be the 4. Okay, then the face value of 2 in number 4230 will be 2, and face value of 3 in this number 3, and face value of 0 will be 0. Means whatever the number is given and you have to find out the face value of any digit in that number, you will write as it is of that digit. Okay, now what is the place value? Place value is also called a local value. The local value term is given in your book, don't confuse it about that. So place value of digit is the value which depend on the place, or we can say the position of that digit in the number. For example, if any number 9246 is given, okay, and in previous chapter I told you about the places. The every digit in a number has consists its own places. Means 6 is placed at 1, 4 is at 10th place, 2 is at 100th place, and 9 is at 1000th place. Okay, so every digit in a number consists its own places. Now if we have to find out the place value of any digit in this number, what we will do? We will just multiply that digit by its place. Mean, suppose place value, we have to find out the place value of 9 in this number. Then the place value of 9 in 9246 will be 9 into 1000. We have multiplied this 9 by the 1000 because 9 is placed at the 1000th place. Then the place value of 9 will be the 9000. Similarly, the place value of 2 will be 200. Why? Because 2 is placed at 100th place and we have multiplied 2 by 100 and we have got the 200. Similarly, the place value of 4 will be the 40, because we will multiply 4 into 10, 4 by 10, and we get the 40 because 4 is placed at 10th place. And what will be the place value of 6? Will be 6. Why? Because 1 means 1. Okay, so we will multiply 6 by the 1, we will get the 6. 6 1 is 6. Now we will talk about a standard form and expanded form. Suppose some numerals are there. Numerals, I told you in the previous chapter, numerals means the symbol which is used to represent a number. 4, 6, 7 and 8 are the numerals. These are the digits, and by using these digits, if we write it together like this, it becomes a number. It is the 4678. 4678 is the number. So writing by this way, it is called a standard form. Got it? You can write any other number using this numerals like 4, 7, 6, 8. It is also a number. Then 6, 7 and 4 and what is left? 8. So this is the 6748 is also a number. You can make any number. So this is called a standard form. Suppose now second thing is the expanded form. What is the expand? Means if we write any number with their place, okay, that is called a expanded form. Means this is written the standard form and we have to write this number in expanded form. So how do you write 4678? We will write in the expanded form. 4 is placed at the thousand place, 1, 10, 100, 1000. So we will write 4 into 1000. Okay, got it? Then plus 6 is placed at the 100 place, 1, 10, 100. So we will write 6 into 100. Then 7 is placed at 10 place. So we will write 7 into 10. And plus 8 is placed at 1's place. So we will multiply 8 by 1. So this is called the expanded form of this number. Okay, this is the expanded form of this number. We will take one more example. 7, 8, 5, 6. We have to write this number in expanded form. So how do we write? 7 is placed at the thousand place. We will write it 7 into 1000 plus 8 is placed at 100 place. We will write 8 into 100. 8 is placed at 100 place. So we will write 8 into 100. 5 is placed at 10th place. So we will write 5 into 10. Then plus 6 is placed at 1's place. So it will be written 6 into 1. Then this is the expanded form of 7856. Got it? Now we will start the exercise 4a. Before starting the exercise 4a, I would like to tell two terms which are given in the book. You can see concrete number and abstract number. Which are the concrete number? If number which refer the particular number, particular meaningful unit, that is called a concrete number. A number which refer to particular unit and is meaningful, that is called a concrete number. Okay, in short we can say if any number is given with the unit is called a concrete number, like 8 meter, 12 kg, 18 kilometer, 36 centimeter, 2 liter, 50 liter. So these are the number which are written with the unit, okay, which refer a particular or meaningful things. It is called a concrete. An abstract number which does not refer any particular unit. If I am saying the 8, what does it mean by 8? It may be kilogram, it may be centimeter, it may be 8 things. Okay, so this is the meaningless and there is no particular unit. So in short we can say if any number is given without unit, it is called a abstract number. Okay, now the unit. In previous classes you must have learnt about some units like kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. Okay, means liter, kilogram, deciliter, centimeter, inch, and these are some units are there which are used in the measurement. Okay, got it? So in first question in exercise 4a you have to fill the blanks. It is said in the question that in 20 kg the unit is which is taken time. Okay, I am just telling you by this. It is saying that 20 kg. How this 20 kg became? If you will take the 1 kg 20 times, it becomes the 20 kg. Means if you are taking the 20 kg 1 kg plus 1 kg, again you have taken the 1 kg. Okay, similarly you are taking the 1 kg 20 times, means 1 kg into 20 will become the 20 kg. Got it everyone? So in 20 kg we have taken the 1 kg. You will fill it here 1 kg in first fill in the blanks. Okay, and how many times you have taken? 20 times you have taken. So here you will write the 1 kg and here you will write the 20. Means 20 kg became by taking 1 kg 20 times. Similarly, 80 meter, the unit is meter or 1 meter, which is taken 80 times. You will fill it here 1 meter or meter. Here you will write the 80 times. Got it? Now the third, if a unit centimeter means 1 centimeter, unit centimeter means 1 centimeter is taken 5 times, the corresponding unit will be, I told you, as you have taken the 1 kg 20 times, it becomes the 20 kg. Similarly, if you will take the unit time, means unit centimeter by 5 times, unit centimeter means 1 centimeter by 5 times, it becomes the 5 centimeter. So you will write the 5 centimeter here. If a unit kilometer is taken 24 times, corresponding unit will be, means if you are taking the 1 kilometer by 24 times, it becomes the 24 kilometer. So here you will write the 24. Got it? Now fifth question, it's very easy. In previous chapter I told you what is the number, numeral and numeration. If you don't know, you can watch that video, you will just understand. In short, I told you numeral are the symbol which represent a number, some number. Okay, like this is the number. Here what are the numerals are there? 53, 5 and 3. Okay, 53 are the numeral. And what are the numeration? Numeration is the word form of that. Numeration is the word form of that. Got it? Numeration is the number of that. Now numeral is given the 9. What will be the number? Number will be 9. You will write that 9 here. And what will be the numeration? You will write the 9 in word form. I am just telling you how do you write. If, that is the number. Okay, that is numeral. And numeration, these three things are there. Now 53 is the number, then numeral will be the 53 and it will be written 53. Okay, now the 9 is given as a numeral. Here you have to write the 9. What will be the number of numeral 9? That will be 9. And how do you write the numeration? That is the 9. Numeration means word form. Now the second question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In 24,673, the place value of 6 is, as I told you, to find the place value of the number, what you have to do? I told you an example, 9246, and you have to find the place value of every digit in the number. Similarly, you will find the place value of 6 in this number. I am just telling you, that is the number is 24,673. 24,673 is the number. That is the question number 2. And you have to find the place value of 6. You will write place value of 6 in 24,673 is 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000. Okay, why we have multiplied 6 by 1000? Because 6 is placed at 1000 place, 1, 10 and 100. Got it? Similarly, you will find the place value of 8 in this number, 1, 10, 100, 1000. 8 is placed at 1000 place, so you will multiply 8 into 1000, it becomes the 8000. And in this value, local value is also called a place value, don't confuse. 3,25,648. Find the place value of 5. 5 is placed at 1000 place, you will write a 5 into 1000 is equal to 1000, 5000. 6 is placed again 1000 place, 6 into 1000 you will write the 6000. Got it? Now the next question, find the difference. It is saying in the third question, find the difference between the place value of 3 and 5 in number 3945. Okay, the question number 3 is, a number is given 3945. You have to find the difference between place value of 3 and place value of 5. So first of all we have to write the place value of this. So place value of 5 in 3945 is equal to 5. Got it? The place value of 5 in this number will be 5, and place value of 3 in same number will be 3000. How? Because we have multiplied 3 by the 1000, because 3 is placed at 1000 place. Got it? Now we have to find the difference of the place value of both this number. So how do you find the difference? We will subtract the 5 by 3000. Got it? And we will find the answer, means difference of the place value of 3 and 5 in the number 3945. Got it? Now the fourth question, 40,562. Find the place value. I think you will do on your own. And the third is saying, third part of this question, the sum of place value of 5 and the place value of 6. It is very easy, as we have find the difference between these difference between the place value of 3 and 5. Similarly, in this question, first of all you will find the place value of 5 and find the place value of 6 in this number. What will the place value of 5 in this number? That will be the 500, because 5 is at 100 place. And what will be the place value of 6 in this number? That will be the 60, because 6 is at 10th place. So place value of 5 is 500, and place value of 6, place value of 5 is equal to 500, and place value of 6 is equal to 60. Okay, because 6 is at 100 place, and you have to find the addition, sum. Then sum kitna hoga? What will be the sum of that? 560. Got it? Now read and write the following number in word and also in expanded form. Okay, you have to read on its own this number, write the following number in word form and in expanded form. Suppose it is what is written 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 76,000. You will write the 76,000, and then after you will write it in expanded form. I told you how to write any number in expanded form, like this. You will write each and every number in expanded form. Okay, similarly you will write it here. This is the 76,000. So how do you write? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, 7 is at a 10,000, so you will multiply 7 into 10,000 plus, like this. Okay, then 6 is at a thousand place, you will write a 6 into 1000, again plus, then 0 is at place 100, you will write a 0 into 100, and again the 3 0 are there, and when you will multiply any number by the 0, you will get the 0. Okay, so 0 into 100, 0 into 10, and 0 into 1. Similarly, you will write the expanded form. This number 6 is placed at a lakhs place, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. So you will multiply 6 by the lakhs, 6 into lakh plus 6 into 2 into 10,000, because 2 is at 10,000 place, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then 3 is placed at the 1000 place, you will write the 3 into 1000. Then this 0 is at place at 100, you will write the 0 into 100. This 0 is placed at 10 place, you will write the 0 into 10, and this 0 is placed at 1's place, you will write the 0 into 1. Similarly, you will do this question. Now the sixth question is saying find the difference in the place value of 2, 7 in number. This question is exactly same like third question of 4. Okay, there are 2 7 are there within this number. First 7 is placed at the 10th place, and second 7 is placed at the 10,000 place. Then the place value of this 7 will be the 70,000, and place value of this 7 will be the 70. Then you will subtract the 70 by the 70,000 and you will get the answer. So this exercise is completed. It is very easy, and you must have done this type of question in the 5th, so that's why I did not make you do this question. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. So I think you will do if any question is there in which you confused, so you can ask. Okay, so 4 is completed, and in next class we will do the 4B exercise. Till then, just you keep practicing at your home.